back to my channel, or welcome if you're not new. This week's video is going to be a Ulta haul, a small Ulta haul, because I got a couple things, and basically an unboxing of the Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer, Blow Dryer. I recently got one, but I'm going to show you the quick little haul I got. I literally got 2 other items. I've been obsessed, which I think I'm kind of late on posting about this. I've been using these for a while. Not this brand. I use the Wells that they sell at Target. They're little spot treatments. I had one on one of my blemishes and it was like a really big bump, but now it's kind of flattened down. So I really recommend trying these. These ones were $6.99 for 24. I think you get maybe a couple more, but it's like $8.99, so this is a little bit cheaper. So yeah, and then the one thing I was excited about, which I'm so sad, apparently they got some in stock a couple days ago, so I missed it. Not that I've really been buying makeup per se. I honestly haven't since my last Ulta haul. I just used up a little bit of my gift card. So this little palette was $12, and yes, I do play Animal Crossing. No, I haven't played in a while. I love Animal Crossing, and I'm actually excited that I got this because the colors are really pretty. Let's see how the shine will get it. So it has Stella and the fossil guy. Oh my gosh, I haven't played in so long that I'm blinking. I am like in 19 units at my college semester, so I just am not doing well with it. Oh, Celeste, and then Flutter, Crossing. Oh my gosh, I can't remember his name. I always like skip because he talks so much. But yeah, it's called What a Hoot. It's the Animal Crossing Color Pop collab, and the colors are Who, All Flutter, Celestial, and then Meteor Shower. And the packaging is cute. It's in this cute like peachy box with the characters. Super cute. And then you get to it. Oh gosh. I guess mine is like a little dirty smudge. Okay. So yeah, this is what the packaging looks like. Sorry, I'm filming at night, so the lighting might not be that good. It's What a Hoot. It has a few of the girl and the boy, and then you open it. Oops, that's a little like protective film. It has a mirror with like the little plasticky thing, and then it has these shades, which this one, super cute. That's Meteor Shower, which is a given. And then All Flutter, Who, and then Celestial. And these shades are super pretty. I think they're going to work with my skin tone really well. This like Meteor Shower color, I'm really interested to see how it'll work. Let me try not to blind you. Let's see if I can get focus. It's like chunk glitter, which I know some people say is not ideal. Can you see that? It's like super chunk glitter. So I don't know how well that will work, but I love the shades, and I am a big Animal Crossing fan. I do find it hard to play every day and keep up with it, but yeah, I wanted to pick up a little something. They did have the one with Mabel and Abel, or the Mabel sisters. They did have that one. It was purple shades, and I was so tempted to get it, but purple eyeshadow on me. I have light skin with like dark hair, so to me it kind of looks like I got like hit in the eye, just because I'm not that makeuply talented. I've tried purple eyeshadow and it's fine, it's like light shades, but I just didn't want to commit to a purple palette. This one I knew I would use, and it was literally the last one, so I got super lucky. And now onto the big mama, the Dyson Supersonic Fast Drying, No Extreme Heat, engineered for different hair types, powerful airflow, hair dryer, blow dryer, however you want to call it. I got the white one because, yeah, my mom has this exact same hair dryer, and I finally decided it was time to invest, so I got my own, and I'm excited to unbox it. I can tell you a review on it just because I use hers a lot, and the fact that I needed to get my own because she obviously wants hers back. So yeah, it comes with this like little screen. It did have plastic wrap, and I started taking that off, but then I was like, wait, let's film a video for anyone that's curious about it. So this is a box. It's kind of cool. It shows you like the blueprint of the design. It'll probably be hard to see, but maybe you can see it a little bit. And then it's just a plain like cardboard style box. It's stuck together real good. Then it comes with the like diffuser, I think. No, it's not a diffuser. I will curl my hair up if I'm trying to get textured hair. Then it comes with these attachments. This one. This is for. Then the instructions. Oh, I should actually show you like how this came in here. Excuse me. Let me pop these back in. Okay, that's my fault. Okay, so basically this is how it looked when it came. This I'm just gonna take off because it scares me that it's gonna fall. So this is how it came, and then I just popped these out. Those are just the different types of attachments. Honestly, these look the same, just one's thinner, one's wider. I find them okay to use, these ones, like the Precision, but they're not essential. And then it comes with this little, I don't know what this is for, but it's those phone things, but I don't think you would hook this to something. Then it comes with all your instructions. Not gonna open that. And then we have, ooh, how do you get this out? I think it's stuck, or I just don't know how to get it out properly. This is hard to pull out. I think you have to actually pull out this layer. Yeah, okay, so it was just really tangled in there. That's really all it was. Oh, what is this? And then it has this thing. Oh, interesting. So it's a little mat that you can put down. Sick. Okay. So this is the blow dryer. This is how it looks. This is the white color. I think it just looks really sleek. I'm not a fan of hot pink, so that's why I chose this one. And then if you guys are wanting to know the price, it was $399, and with tax it was $434.99. But in all honesty, I will say, is it worth the price? Look, you can use a cheaper blow dryer and it'll be fine. For me, I really do like to take the best care of my hair. And I do think it has helped my hair not really have damage. I mean, this is my natural color hair. I've chopped my hair where I don't have any real color in it. This is my natural color. It's such a dark color that it's almost black, but it's brown still. In the sun it looks more brown, but most of the time people think I have black hair. It's brown technically, at least from my sister-in-law. She's a hairstylist, so my hair is not black technically, but it is one of the darkest shade of browns before you would hit black hair, if that makes sense. But yeah, It's just, oof, it's like so sleek. This is like so smooth, and then this is like stark white. And yeah, here's little like buttons. And then it's really simple to use. It has 3 settings of heat, which you won't see. There's like 3 lights with the red dot, and this will light up red, and then there's 3 dots with a white light that'll light up, and the white is for basically the air pressure of like how much is coming out, and then this is for the heat. You have your cool button with the blue dot, and then this is to turn it on and off. I assume this is a little matte, so you could just like keep it, you know, so it doesn't get scratched up and stuff. I do have a case for it that I just purchased on Amazon, like third party, just because Dyson is expensive. So to buy the Dyson carrier thing is also quite expensive, and I feel like I should stop the bleeding and just get a cheaper one. So yeah, has a little sheet, has all these little attachments. So yeah, overall thoughts, I have enjoyed using it. I used to use a Unite blow dryer, which is one of like the top of the line hair companies. I do love like Unite's hair products and stuff. I use like their 7 seconds detangler, so good if your hair gets knotty and it's like hard to tangle. You spray that on, let it sit for like a minute, even though it's like 7 seconds. I let it sit for a minute. Like I'll spray my hair and I'll do something else, and then I'll tangle it out, and I kid you not, it just helps. Because when I used to actually color my hair was a lot drier, so it would get like matted a little, not like matted like dreadlock matted, but like I just get tangles easier because my hair was just super dry, especially when I was like blonde. And I wasn't like platinum blonde, like I just had dyed my hair super light. I don't think I'll ever do that again. It wasn't for me. I mean, who knows, maybe I would go blonde once, but like fully commit. But I don't know, I feel like my eyebrows are so dark that it'd look weird. And excuse for the lack of like setup. I kind of feel like I wanted to touch base. Sometimes I film videos where I get like I'm dressed up and stuff, and that actually just depends on the day if I got dressed up. Majority of the time I am kind of dressed like this, no makeup and stuff. I feel like it's good to let my skin breathe, because sometimes I'm getting breakouts, and especially when it's that special time of the month, I break out a little bit more than I normally would. I really don't break out except when it's that time. So I'm confident in my skin. I know I have a little redness here, a couple here, but I feel like when I watch like influencers, not that I'm an influencer or like big social media people, they never post videos really like when they aren't dressed up, or like to some degree. But I like to keep my videos as real as possible. So if I'm dressed up, it's mostly because I'm dressed up that day. I never dress up to film. I don't know, that's just not me. So I just want to put that out there. If you're looking at those influencers and social media people and you're comparing yourself, don't. They're real people. They just don't post when they're at their like sad points in life, or when they have a bunch of breakouts, or you know. So I just wanted to keep it real, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm sorry there's not too much to this Dyson unboxing. I've already used the product, so I would give it a 4 out of 5 stars, and I'm docking the star just because the price is crazy expensive. This is an investment in your hair. It's definitely not for everybody, and you don't need it. For me, I've enjoyed using my mom's, and for me, I feel like it's just a good investment in myself. Not that I'm saying like I'm super special or anything. I really like it, and I have such long thick hair, and this really does minimize the time so well. And I love the technology behind it. I think Dyson's one of those really great brands that are just pricey. But yeah, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know it was short, but I got a couple things. I'm not like super in with buying makeup just because, oh, I dropped this. Probably use those tonight because I have a little spot. But I just haven't been buying makeup much just because I don't wear it because of, you know, masks and stuff, and I'm most of the time home. I'm a full-time student with like 19 units, so like 4 days out of the week, like I am on my computer like non-stop. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!